this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data from broken iPhone to iPhone 17. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have an old or broken iPhone, you can still salvage the data and transfer it safely to a new one. It can be an iPhone 17 or any other model, of course. So this process is going to work regardless of the broken iPhone's model and also regardless of the new one that you are transferring the data into. The easiest way to do this by far is to go through the setup on the new iPhone. So in this example, the iPhone 17. When you purchase a new iPhone, you will go through the hello screen and eventually you will get to the apps and data window. So go through the setup, change your name, set up a network, so on. And finally, you will be able to find restore from iCloud backup. You have other options. So if your iPhone is still somewhat functional, you can choose the option to transfer directly from the old iPhone. You can restore from a Mac or a PC. But I believe that restore from iCloud backup is by far the best one. This is going to work if you had iCloud backup enabled on the old device before it broke down. Most people do have it even if they don't realize. So you can choose this option and see if there is a backup from your old iPhone. If there is one here, you select it, proceed, and wait for the process to finish. It will be done automatically. If you don't have an iCloud backup, which means that it just tells you that you didn't back up your data on the old iPhone before it broke down, there aren't too many methods remaining. What you can try to do is to connect the old iPhone to a PC or laptop and try to get the data from inside of the iPhone to the PC, laptop, or MacBook. But this is only going to work if either you had previously connected it or if it is still somewhat barely functional. If your iPhone completely broke down, you did not have a backup beforehand, and you cannot connect it to a PC, MacBook, or laptop to salvage the data, then basically it does become impossible. You have to use one of these methods, and they either require preemptive setup or for the iPhone to be somewhat functional. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.